What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. Welcome to Behind the Scenes What's in the Shop Wednesday. We'll start outside today at LATROBE, where beside me we have a Volkswagen Super Beetle. I have a soft spot for these. I actually have a 67 Beetle. I never drive it, but that was my first car I built with my dad, so it's sitting in my garage. I love old Beetles. Beside that, a BMW M3. This one's here for its annual inspection. And then a Super Duty dump truck. This one's here for window tint for our good friend Dakota. Check out this Escalade. We've been doing a lot of these, what we call tuxedo wraps, where basically it's from the windows up get wrapped black. So this entire Escalade was white. So we add that part to the front fender, the A-pillar, the whole way back to the back of the car, the roof, the antenna, and the rear spoiler. All of that gets wrapped black. We use the 3M high gloss black. So a lot of shops don't use the high gloss because it's a more expensive material. That's what we've switched to completely now that we've learned to work with that material, and we love it. It looks so much better than the regular black. Another Tesla Model Y Juniper. This is the new facelifted version. This one got a ceramic coating. It's curing. Be ready to go home today. And in the back, we have a trailer that is not ours. If you guys want some of the best pizza you've ever eaten in your life, Carmine's in Latrobe, absolutely fantastic. We order from there all the time. And this is their new mobile pizza rig. Really freaking cool. They've got like a brick oven or something on the back where they're actually cooking the pizzas. It's just a really, really neat thing. And we're gonna be doing the graphics and logos and all that kind of stuff on this. We're shuffling some cars around right now, but we've got this Escalade pulled out for now, and it's getting paint protection film on the front end, a polish and a ceramic coating. That's for our friend Vince. He brought us his CT5 last week. We made it look like new. We're gonna do the same thing with the Escalade. Beside the Escalade is a Dodge Challenger. This is from our friends at Lutz Race Cars, Lutz Performance. You guys might know him from Street Outlaws. We are vinyl wrapping this one. Stay tuned, pay attention to our channel to see what color we are changing this thing to. Up front, we've got a couple cars and then we'll take you inside. One's a Lincoln Aviator. It's just got a polish and a coating, ready for pickup. And the Lamborghini Urus, I think you guys saw this last week. It got PPF on the rest of the car. The front end of it was done already when he bought it. It was done very well, so we left that alone. We're also gonna be doing a pinstripe on the inside of the barrel of the wheels. That's happening this afternoon, and then this can get out of here. So never done anything like that before. It'll be new for us. Let's see what's happening inside. Max is working on his favorite thing to do of all time, and that is to convert a G-Wagon from gloss to stealth. This is a different G-Wagon than last week. G-Wagons are really hard. They're even harder to convert to stealth. So these guys are doing a really, really awesome job. I think Max is sick of looking at G-Wagons, but that's okay. If you guys have a G-Wagon and you want to get it in for next week, make sure you message us so that we can keep torturing these guys. On the lift, we have a Lincoln Navigator, the brand new updated one, and it is freaking sweet. We did PPF on the whole front end and the rocker panels. There's no patterns for these, so we had to custom make some of those pieces, and then it's getting ceramic coated. It got the windows tinted earlier as well. And here's a trailer that's looking pretty ugly right now. We had to actually sand this down. There was really, really old vinyl on it that completely ate away at the paint, and the customer wants to resurface this. So we sanded it, and we're gonna do a black PPF on this. It'll look like brand new, basically, and then we're gonna be putting some more graphics on that. So pretty big job. I don't even think all the prep work's done on that, but it's close. And then we have a McLaren 570S. You can see that some disassembly has started on that. We're changing the color of this car. Lots of disassembly. Orange is a very challenging color to cover up. Stay tuned to see what color we're going. If you don't follow us on social media yet, you should. Instagram, Facebook, all that fun stuff, because we're always updating our projects on there every day. Behind that's a Denali. Ceramic coating going down on this today. Last but not least, in the wash bay, we've got a Mercedes that JM is currently washing for its annual inspection. I'm sorry, there's another one. And then a Hellcat Durango, I can't forget that. I love Hellcats, love the Durango. So this one is polished, ready for a ceramic coating.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. See what we got going on today.
Here we have this GMC Terrain that's in for our XR black window tint all around with the visor, keeping it cool from that summer heat. Here we have a Subaru STI that came in for full removal of old and terrible paint protection film. And we will be installing a full front, actually a track pack, to get this nice and clean again. Here in the tint bay, we have this BMW M4 Comp. Came in for a windshield tint in our XR Plus 55. Block out some of that summer heat. Here we have this Mercedes-Benz C300 in for XR Black all around and an XR Plus 70% windshield. Here we have this BMW X7 as our full wrap of the week. It's getting xpel XR Plus all around windshield sunroof, a 4-year coating, and xpel Ultimate 8 on the entire vehicle.
Thank you guys very much for tuning in. As always, we will see you next week.